क्लाउड
हो गया, कर दिया है।
सर्वर से कनेक्ट कर रहा हूँ।
अनिल स्क्रीन शेयर कर।
हम्म, 2 अटेंडीज आ गए, 3 आ गए।
हम्म, 4। देखो बढ़ रहा है ना लगातार।
दिख रहा है?
हम्म।
स्क्रीन दिख रही है मेरी?
हाँ दिख रही है। ठीक है। But we should wait until the minimum number will reach.
हाँ हाँ, ओके। तब तक मैं अपना म्यूट कर देता हूँ।
हम्म। क्या नहीं, ask to unmute. No, your voice is not coming. Hello, Dinesh. Hello, Anil.
आ रही है आवाज?
Your voice is coming, but Dinesh's voice is not coming.
Dinesh, we are not able to hear you.
या नहीं, आवाज नहीं आ रही दिनेश आपकी. ओके. ठीक है. ओके. हेलो अनिल.
Mohit.
Okay. So, hello, it's very good afternoon to all of you. We are here to give a brief about this program, how this program will proceed, and how we will go from the innovative tech ideas of the students' mind and convert it into the startup. So, with me, there is Dr. Anil Kumar C. Bankoti, who is actually the speaker of this whole presentation. This program is actually funded by RAC Innovation Platform and with the help of IIT Kanpur. So I'm not taking much of your time. So it's over to you, Dr. Anil. Please proceed.
Thank you, Dr. Mohit. And good evening, everyone. I am Dr. Anil Kumar Singh Bankoti. I welcome you all in this orientation program. This program is funded by REC and organized by IIT Kanpur. So the main aim of this program is to find innovative ideas from the students, flourish them, and convert them into a market-ready product. So how this will happen? A simple roadmap is given in this picture. At first, problem statement or ideas from the students will be collected. High quality real solutions will be searched. We will also try to find a suitable industry partner for a selected idea. Then product development and scale up development will be done by the student or student groups. If the idea is unique or very innovative, we will go for IP generation as well. So objective of the REC innovation platform is explained in this slide. In this program, there are mainly three stakeholders, that is REC, IIT Kanpur, and our 20 partner institutions. Through a proper exam or research aptitude test, we will select around 1200 students from these 20 partner institutions. Their ideas will be collected. They will be provided rigorous mentoring. Based on the quality, 30 innovative ideas will be selected. Out of those 30 ideas, top 10 prototypes will be developed. This process is actually divided into 6 steps. In a very beginning step or step 0, we will select the students. The selection will be done, as I already said, by a research aptitude test or a RAT test. In a second stage, student need to do literature search. They have to conduct research. They have to document their solutions or results. They need to prepare a report, and they need to submit the report to the REC innovation platform for scrutiny or evaluation. After the scrutiny, there will be 25 to 30 teams who will be selected, and these 30 or 25 or 30 teams will be invited to a workshop which will be held in IITK to showcase their research. This will be done in stage 3. The workshop will be of 1 day duration. In stage 4, the student need to develop a prototype. They have to focus on the development of prototype. They will get mentoring from the experts. And in stage 5, another workshop will be done where they need to showcase their prototype, and 10 prototype will be selected 10 prototype will be showcased there, or 10 projects will be showcased there. And at the end, or in stage 6, top 5 prototypes will be co-incubated in SIISC in IIT Kanpur. So this is the activities and the process of the overall program. So what students are getting from this program? So they are enhancing their thinking abilities. Their research or innovation are getting propagated in Indian institutions. So they are getting recognition. Their lookout towards finding solutions of the real life problems is getting improved. And at large, they are contributing towards social wellness through their research. So how this platform is helping to institutions? In institutions, academy industry collaboration is getting increased. In the institutions, research culture are getting developed. And this platform is also bringing the research work of participating institutions into the nation spotlight. What else benefits student will get? Students are getting acquainted with IIT Kanpur culture. They can get funds from their prototype design. For their prototype design, if they need to showcase their prototype in the workshop, their travel expenses, their boarding expenses, their lodging expenses will be taken care by IIT Kanpur as per their norms. So the last and but not the least, all the selected startups will get startup funds. This program is actually giving benefits to all the stakeholders, whether it is a student, it is faculty mentor, it is academic institutions, or at large we can say society. So everyone is getting benefited from this program. So how students are getting benefited? They are actually improving their critical and creative thinking. They are improving their analytical and reasoning skills. Their approach is more research oriented, and incorporating research component at undergraduate level enables a student to prepare for better future as well. So their career growth is also dependent on their research oriented thinking. How faculty mentors are getting benefited by this program? They are becoming a facilitator to the innovation, and their professional growth is also very good. The third one, institution. In institution, innovative culture are getting developed. They are having better student outcomes. They are getting pride and recognitions, and they can showcase their success stories as well. So actually, this process is divided into 3 broad areas. The first one is problem identification. So all the groups need to identify some problem or statements for the by the observation, by the discussion, and they need to work on it. Once they are able to decide a problem or a research statement, they need to check its technical feasibility. So how technical feasibility will be done, will be checked? So based on scientific facts, engineering challenges, design limitations, the technical feasibility of the project is need to be assessed. So once if it is observed that the project is technically feasible, the students need to develop a prototype or start their startups. For those startups, we need to check the market potential as well. So market potential means we need to check the prospective customers through proper channels. These are some problems. Uh, these problems will be better explained uh, by Dr. Mohit, I think. So I am handing over these problems to Dr. Mohit now. Dr. Mohit?
Thank you, Dr. Anil. As my friend Dr. Anil has explained you about this, what this program is, actually, if we look out in our surroundings, we find that there are several problems, like small, tiny problems, which are just very little and short solution, but we haven't observed it clearly. By this program, we will try to improve the critical thinking or critical learning so that we can address these problems and make a prospect solution of this problem. After taking that prospect solution, we will analyze it whether it is feasible or not technically, design wise, or whether it is feasible or not to the market potential. Then uh, is screening the best innovative ideas, we will go with the startup. Here, some startup, many people think that the startup is a too critical work or too fancy word, but this is not so. Here some little example which is going in the small problem to try to resolve this small problem with very quick and simplified solutions. So the image what you are watching on the top post of the left side is actually a common image in any rural areas, school of any rural areas, where the bench and desk is not available for the students. The second picture, which is top on the right side, is actually when our farmers go to the market to sell their products. जब भी वो जाते हैं मंडियों में, तो वो जो प्रक्रिया होती है, दैट प्रोसीजर इज टू लॉन्ग, और इस लंबी प्रक्रिया की वजह से, ड्यू टू दिस, सम ऑफ द वेजिटेबल्स और सम ऑफ देयर प्रोडक्ट जो कि क्रॉप हुआ हमारा, वो वेस्ट हो जाता है, जिसको फेंकना पड़ता है. ऐसा कभी कभी ओवर प्रोडक्शन की वजह से भी होता है. तो इससे काफी अनाज वेस्ट होता है. अप्रोक्सी अगर आप सर्वे का रिपोर्ट अगर आप पढ़िएगा एफसीआई का, तो आपको पता चलेगा कि इट्स अप्रोक्सीमेटली 18 to 20% ऑफ हमारा जो प्रोडक्शन होता है क्रॉप का, वो वेस्ट हो जाता है. The third one is a very common picture of any temple or any religious symbolic structures, जहाँ पे हम लोग फ्लावर पेटल्स जो है वो चढ़ाते हैं अपने अपने आराध्य देवों पर. एंड वो एक्चुअली क्या होता है, आफ्टर कीपिंग ऑफ दैट फ्लावर टेबल, हम लोग उसको डंप कर देते हैं नियर बाई रिवर्स में या किसी तालाब में, जिससे नदियां भी प्रदूषित होती हैं. एंड द फोर्थ वन, ये दिस इज अ वेरी कॉमन फिगर ऑफ फ्लड. बरसात में हमारे यहाँ पर इंडिया में कॉमन है कि बाढ़ आ जाती है नदियों में, और आसपास में काफी पानी जमा हो जाता है, जिसकी वजह से कभी कभी ये इतना ज्यादा होता है कि पूरा गांव का गांव खाली करना पड़ता है, या एक ह्यूज एरिया विल बी एक्चुअली रीलोकेट और रीएस्टेब्लिश themselves. So after succeeding slide, I am presenting you what the simple solution for that in our Indian innovative students and people search for it. So the first one, ये एक्चुअली आईआईटी कानपुर के स्टूडेंट ने दिस डिजाइन हैज डेवलप्ड बाय द स्टूडेंट ऑफ आईआईटी कानपुर. वो बहुत सारे स्कूल्स में गया, उसे ये पता चला उसने ये ऑब्जर्व किया कि देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम, क्योंकि जब स्टूडेंट या बच्चे झुक करके बेंड हो करके लिख रहे होते हैं या पढ़ रहे होते हैं, देन इट विल इफेक्टेड देयर स्पाइनल कोड। तो ये एक बहुत ही बड़ा हेल्थ इशू हो सकता है, और है एक्चुअली, हो नहीं सकता, ये बहुत इट इज अ वेरी बिग हेल्थ इशू। देन व्हाट ही डिड, he just attached a simple lightweight desk with the bag। तो उससे क्या होता है कि आप कहीं अपने स्कूल पे या इंडिविजुअली यू आर रीडिंग एट होम, यू कैन ओपन दैट डेस्क विद द बैग एंड यू कैन इजिली राइट अप ऑन दैट। तो ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट है जिसको काफी अप्रिसिएशन मिला है, और आंध्रा की गवर्नमेंट ने एंड तेलंगाना गवर्नमेंट विल एक्चुअली expend a huge funding for this project for children। Please next slide, Dr. Anil। Yeah, so this is another startup जिसमें जो फूल के नाम से एक्चुअली इन्होंने क्या किया, दे विल सेंड देयर पर्सन टू दी temples and mosque and collect that petal before dumping it in the river, and by the use of that petal they will make a धूप बत्ती और अगरबत्ती काइंड ऑफ थिंग। इट इज प्योरली ऑर्गेनिक, ये यूज में आ रहा है, ये इसका इट एक्चुअली बेनिफिटेड अस, एंड ऑल्सो इसकी वजह से जो हमारी नदियां पॉल्यूटेड हो रही हैं उस पर भी काफी रोकथाम हुआ है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देयर आल्सो डेवलप flora form kind of thing। it is a kind of thermocol type of thing। जो when we develop the thermocol in the manufacture, the thermocol its life is too long, ये approximately 500 years तक existence में रहते हैं, और ये organic नहीं होते, ये भी kind of pollution create करते हैं environment में। but this product is previous slide, Dr. Don't change the slide। तो उन्होंने एक ऑर्गेनिक सॉल्यूशन, दे आर एक्चुअली सर्चिंग ऑर्गेनिक सॉल्यूशन फॉर थर्मोकॉल विच इज कॉल्ड एट अ फ्लोरा फोम। प्लीज चेंज द स्लाइड। या इन दिस स्लाइड एक्चुअली फ्लड की कंडीशन में ये एक एक्वाफ्रंट करके एक स्टार्टअप है जो कि IIT BHU के स्टूडेंट्स के द्वारा किया गया है। दे आर एक्चुअली मेकिंग अ structure, a floating structure which can actually tolerate a heavy load। so क्या होता है कि जब बाढ़ आ जाती है, when it is flood, then this structure ये सिंक नहीं करता, ये डूबता नहीं है, और इसमें काफी लोड बेयरिंग करने की कैपेसिटी होती है। तो इसके टेस्टिंग के लिए भी पंजाब गवर्नमेंट ने क्या किया था कि उन्होंने इस स्ट्रक्चर के ऊपर एक गुरुद्वारा बनवाया। वो गुरुद्वारा 22 दिनों तक जो है वो गुरुद्वारा 22 दिनों तक फ्लोट करता रहा पानी में, वो जगह जगह जा रहा था, एंड एवरीवन मतलब पीपल विल बी देयर फॉर प्रेयर पर्पस, देन इट विल अगेन गो टू द नेक्स्ट स्टॉप। प्लीज सेंड द स्लाइड। This is a small foundation called Sabji Koti। So it's a actually tent type of structure where you can put your vegetables or your crop, and there is a machine which will produce ozone here। So it will not only keep fresh the vegetables or crop, it will also kill the ethanol on that। तो इससे क्या होता है कि 20 से 25 दिनों तक वो सब्जियां या वो अनाज जो आप रख रहे हैं इस कोटी में, वो दे विल बी लिटरली फ्रेश। सो इससे काफी वेस्टेज ऑफ क्रॉप्स और वेस्टेज ऑफ वेजिटेबल जो है वो रोका जा सकता है। तो दीज आर सम स्मॉल स्मॉल स्टार्टअप। apart from that, please change the slide। apart from that, as our program is highly dedicated to the 3 areas named renewable energy and biotech and agri-tech, we are actually going to support each and every field, but the funding related thing is dedicated to these 3 area। and it is not only a competition between the student who get come with their most innovative ideas, where we will support to convert their ideas to first prototype, then after alpha testing, beta testing, and convert it into the final product so that it can be go for the market and again start his own startup. But it is also a it is also a very good opportunity for the universities too, as we are actually giving some prize amount to the top universities who will get top in this entire program, and they will actually use this one to create their own innovative culture in their campus. This will not only impact their value in the market but also improve their outcomes. Now, how this program will proceed and what is the actual benefit point wise, I'm actually over to Dr. Anil. He will explain it more with more clarity. Dr. Anil, please.
Thank you, Dr. Mohit, for sharing such a very innovative startup ideas and their existence. So now we are discussing the model. We are discussing the model. This is a collaborative model for raising young innovators. So in this, faculty mentor, faculty coordinator, research coordinator will help young innovator to achieve their goals. As I said, these three faculty mentor, faculty coordinator, and research coordinator will help the innovator. So, what are the work of these three parties? The first one, faculty mentor, actually will play a role of guide, uh, mm, whereby helping the student in crystallizing the topic of research, followed by regular tracking of the progress and guidance. Our faculty coordinator will regularly monitor, inspire, and ensure smooth execution of the project. On the other hand, research coordinator will bridge the gap between faculty mentor and student. The coordinator will provide technical inputs as well as train the student on reading, writing the research paper. So, with this collaborative efforts, what outcome we can expect? We can expect we can expect intellectual properties. We can expect startups. We can expect prototypes. So, roadmap to conceptual research is divided into three phases. So, in first phase, prospective student will be identified via RAT or research aptitude test exam, in which mainly the aptitude related questions will be there, language related questions will be there. There will be very small portion of science and technology related questions. And so many such type of questions will be there, which is very easy, not very tough. And after passing this RAT exam, we will select some students. So based on ideas and interest, we will form the group, and these groups will finalize their research topic. So in phase two, these groups need to do literature search. They have to conduct their research. They have to give interim PowerPoint presentations. They need to write concept papers. So once they complete this process, they need to submit their concept papers. And once the in phase three, once the idea is selected, they need to develop prototype. Prototype, they need to develop prototype. And once all three phases will be over, so project outcome will be intellectual property, as I said, and prototype and startup. So now the contribution of research coordinator and research mentor in this program. So in phase one, research coordinator will deliver introductory lecture on REC innovation platform. He has to conduct the workshops on research methodology. He will invite students for one-to-one interaction to understand their research interest or their research ideas. He will form the group. And in phase two, research coordinator will guide the student to most recent review papers for their investigation, which is useful for their investigation. He will help the student to prepare project plan. He will help the student to deliver exploratory lectures. He will train the students in referencing, and along with faculty mentor, research coordinator will also provide continuous feedback on active review written by the students. Both of them will organize interim project PowerPoint presentation sessions and um, mentor students in writing an abstract or concept note and review them. So in phase 3, the research coordinator need to identify suitable conference or peer reviewed journal based on students innovation and research area. And along with faculty mentor, research coordinator will mentor students in full length paper writing or prototype development. They will organize final presentation sessions for showcasing their research. So this is the timeline of the phases, and this will be best described by Dr. Mohit. So I am handing over Dr. Mohit for this slide. Dr. Mohit.
Thank you, Dr. Anil. So, as Anil explained, that this program has different stages. We are actually dividing it into some phases. So, I'll explain you the phase of the year. We are going to select 1,200 students from 20 colleges, 20 or 21 different colleges from UP and MP. We will select 1,200 students by RAT examination. RAT examination is nothing but a research aptitude test, which consists of some regional and some basic mathematical questions. So it is very easy. You just need a, and this platform is developed in such a manner that you can access it anywhere from your mobile or your desktop. In university desktop, you just need internet connection and a browser for it. It is a completely online examination, and this is for 1 hour only. After selecting the 12 students for the that examination, we will form a group of those students who have similar ideas or similar research interest. Then uh, we will enlighten them, or we will teach them how to do the research, how to do the market, how to search the market potential, how to do the technical check the technical feasibility of that particular problem, what the solution they are going to propose is actually feasible or not. We are helping with them with their faculty mentor. We will encourage them to find the solution for the problems. Then we will screen out 30 innovative ideas. After screening out the 30 innovative ideas or 30 top 30 projects, there are also some workshop is organized in IIT Kanpur where they will learn, or they will watch how the innovation culture actually developed and how it is actually working. We will also arrange some meeting. We also arrange conducting some meeting between them and some few recent startups people, so that they can understand the process of startup. Then one-to-one rigorous mentoring. We will actually save those ideas solution, or save those proposed solution for the problem or proposed innovative ideas uh, in the shape of startup going through the prototype stage. We just encourage them, or we just mentor them to how to write their proposal, how to present their proposal in front of any governing body or non-governing body. As an example, if their idea is very good and it will be actually needed to present in front of the board of directors of any company, we will make them, or we will train them to how to present in an effective manner to those ideas. We will also attach them with the industry people. We will screen out the top 5 ideas. Also, we will screen out the top 5 ideas and support those innovative ideas to convert those ideas into the form of a startup. So the phase one, in which we actually making the group, conducting the RFE test, and expecting some write-up or abstract from the student, will be in the month of uh, April, mid-April or last April. Then after, from April to July end, we will do the rigorous mentoring and save those ideas into the startup form. So this is the actually timeline of this project, and this is our expectation, and this is actually our and this is actually our aim to at least start or convert minimum 5 startups from this entire program. So this is all about the execution of the program. Now, thank you very much. If you have any question, please ask. We are happy to answer you. If anyone having any question, please raise your hand so that we can make them, uh, we can unmute them so that he or she can ask their question.
If you have any question, you can write on chat box as well. Any questions, any doubts? Avnish is asking, sir, can you explain RAT again? Dr. Mohit, are you listening?
Yeah, RAT is actually stand for Research Aptitude
Anvesh,
Test.
sorry.
Sorry. Yeah, what?
The question is from Anvesh Kumar.
Yeah, what is the question?
Anvesh Kumar. Can you explain RAT again, RAT again?
Okay. Yeah, sure. The RAT actually stands for Research Aptitude Test. This is a totally online test, and there is some reasoning questions or aptitude question will be there. It is of 100 marks, and there is 20 MCQ and 2 descriptive questions. And the duration is 1 hour. So it is not nothing to worry about, because these there are some general mathematics, some general English is there, and what the discovery question is just general science.
Dibya Rasi Sahu raised hand. Unmute him. Dibya Rasi.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Yeah, am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you are
Yes, yes.
audible.
Yeah, thank you. So I'm Dr. D.R. Sahu from SATI Vidisha. As you are conducting one RAT test, as you have
Yeah,
discussed
yes, sir.
about that,
Yes, sir.
you are planning to organize that. So the startup are not bounded that if they are not good in that aptitude or in that, so they cannot start their startup, because you
No,
are finalizing the student from that RAT. Then you are those who are
sir,
in good in that. Yeah.
Sir, actually, there are too many students in. You can understand that we are allowing all the graduate student and first year postgraduate student for this program, but we have actually support only 1,200 students for that. So there is some process to screen of that 1,200 student.
So that
It's not reflect that the student who is not able to crack that exam is not able to start their startup.
So actually, our aim is to start the startup and develop the prototype.
Yeah.
Right. So rather than that, we also can select the student, a group of students from the their presentation, whatever they have ideas. So by their ideas, we can select the student group.
We will
Rather
select.
getting only the test.
Sir, we will select 30 group on the basis of what you are saying now. But we
Okay,
need to select 1,200 students first. So what are the criteria? So this is just a logical and reasoning test. It's just the process to select 200 students.
So if they have idea
I think
and they want to start the startup, then they have to apply for that RAT.
Yes, sir. RAT actually is compulsory for all of them, but and it is not very. It is very easy to crack it. It's not a hard thing. But unfortunately, if the student haven't cracked the RAT test and they want to present their idea in front of us, we will definitely support if the idea is too innovative.
Okay.
About
Thank
GATE
you.
exam.
Uh,
Thank you, sir. You want to ask something more? Because I have another question from Mr. Dharmendra Kumar.
no, thank you. So nice.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Uh, what about GATE exam? I actually couldn't understand, Mr. Dharmendra. What do you want to ask? GATE exam. Dennis, will you please allow Mr. Dharmendra Kumar to speak? Because actually I am not understand his question. Mr. Dharmendra, you can unmute yourself and ask your question, please.
hello, Dharmendra.
जी सर।
Yeah, please
Can
ask
you
your
ask
question,
your
dear.
question?
जी सर, गेट के बारे में जानकारी।
गेट के बारे में, बट इस प्रोग्राम में मैंने कहीं भी गेट का तो कोई जिक्र किया ही नहीं।
ओके।
गेट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट गेट एग्जामिनेशन ना, जो आप लोग मतलब बीटेक के बाद देते हो।
यस सर, यस।
नहीं, दिस इज डिफरेंटली ऑफ डिफरेंट प्रोग्राम धर्मेंद्र।
यस।
Okay, any other question? So how can we present our project without RAT examination? Yeah, Mr. Anvesh, if you have not cracking that RAT examination through your faculty, you can mail us your project or your idea and we will list you out if we think or if we find that idea is too innovative.
Always our suggestion is to appear in the RAT exam first.
RAT
It
examination.
is not that much tough. You can easily crack it. So once you crack it, you can present your idea very easily.
Actually, you need to understand one thing. Via this program, we will going to support 5 to 6 innovative idea and convert it into the startup for which fund is required. But if you are not cracking this examination, we will support you technically, we will support you for doing your market review, but we won't support you financially. So RAT examination is compulsory and must. It is a part of the process. You need to do that. Any other question?
Sir, what is the date of examination?
Yeah, actually आप अभी तो हम लोग ये orientation कर रहे हैं. We are actually conducting the orientation and make you aware about this program. After that, there is from each and every college there is a representative, which is one of your faculty mentor. We will talk to them and discuss them to conduct a date for RAT examination, because we actually don't want to keep this examination in between your any other engagement like semester examination or midterm examination. So, but it will be going to happen before 15th of March.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any more questions?
So if you have any question, please
Please
either
feel free
raise
to
your
ask.
hand and you can write here. Yeah.
So,
Hello.
Dinesh, please. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir. Sir, I think we should include a few of the questions related with the startup in that RAT examination.
We will
Like,
we will consider your suggestions, sir. I'll try to include those questions.
thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your valuable suggestion. Any more question? I think there is no more question. If you have any question, please raise your hand so that we can allow you to speak. Or you can also write that question in the chat box.
every
Sir,
participant is
innovative.
allowed to speak. You can just unmute yourself and ask your question.
Sir, innovative idea about only company startup. No, it's not. Innovative idea is not only with the company startup. We will appreciate, we will consider any type of innovative ideas. Actually, every idea has a potential to sell. Just you need to save those ideas in form of that. So when we actually think about some solution, we are not thinking about some startup. It's a simple solution for a particular problem. You just need to think about a particular problem, and after analyzing it, after do a critical thinking on it, you just propose a solution to remove this problem from the society or from our surroundings. You can give your idea on anything. This program covers the health sector, entire health sector, the renewable energy sector, and the agriculture related sector. Not only the core research of that or core research idea of that, but also the application around of that. So it's a very huge field, a huge idea. Any more doubt? Five idea about safety of working with our technology, so it will consider or not. Via this program, if you don't have the idea which is related to the field I have already explained, we will consider the idea, we will give you the necessary support for that idea. But in terms of finance, I can't say right now without having the panelist meeting for that, if we are going to finance it or not. But apart from the money related thing, we will consider it